Good morning. Let's go to Disneyland.
Look at all those Teddy fingerprints. We made it to Dallas. Teddy just fell asleep, so we'll see what happens there. We got 10 minutes until boarding. Run then! That's our next plane.
Well, we made it to Orange County, but I don't know if we made it completely here. I think we left our brains somewhere else. Well, they're literally the last bags, but all of our stuff made it. I can see our car seats over there as well.
We made it.
We made it. I forgot my sunnies. We think that's the only thing we forgot.
Yeah.
All the way across the world in Orlando, Florida.
It's so far. It's like, I mean, the first time we came here, it was a journey on Route 66. 8.5 years ago.
We got the babes with us.
Excuse if you can hear super simple songs. And Taylor Swift.
But it's 3:35 West Coast time, 6:35 East Coast time.
And we're about to check in.
We're about to check into the villas at Disneyland Hotel.
We've already seen the Matterhorn. We can see Galaxy's Edge. We can see Mission Breakout. Wow. Oh, there's Galaxy's Edge.
Oh, it's so weird how close we are to it.
Wow. So we have one night here, and we're interested in the parking situation. We think with DVC, you don't have to pay, but you just never know. Oh my gosh.
This is the tower. That's where we're staying.
On our honeymoon, we stayed at Paradise Pier Hotel and at Grand Californian. This is the last Disney hotel we have to stay at here.
We can officially say we've been in all of them.
Right. It's so nice. It's so fun. It's a new experience.
Guys, it just hit me. After all these months, literally like a year planning this. First of all, you are gorgeous. You're just stunning in this.
I belong in California.
You never do. Wait, do you belong in California?
Yeah.
I like to do you walk in California. I said, no, you never do. Because we've only been here once before.
Right.
This is the new tower, and I can't believe that we're here. And I'm just so excited. And like, we have so much Disney and runDisney.
But these first couple of days, we do get to chill a little bit.
A little bit.
It's not like the race is tomorrow.
No, but it's like soon after
Did
tomorrow.
we bring the plushies?
Yes, they're in the tech bag. Okay, let's go check in, and hopefully our room is ready. Also, James fell asleep on the drive over. Sarah's in vacation mode. She just said, take my picture. And look at these cute statues of Mickey and Minnie. And she said we have to get the kids souvenirs, and I agree with this. And look at this. And it smells like the Polynesian, but not musty in 70s. And I remember this map.
While Daddy's checking in, we found the little kid TV area. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's beautiful artwork. The flowers are also super beautiful. And we have been in this area before. We have to, yes. Yeah, so we have to go to the DVC.
Okay, we're freaking out. Look, our room's ready. There's the runDisney Health and Fitness Expo right there. Here's the pool. There's people in it, even though it's chilly. Look at that's the villa. So this is the OG fantasy tower that I think they just spruced up the outside. Disney 100 Years of Wonder. There's downtown Disney right there. All right, so we have to go around this way to our room. It's ready. We're on the 7th floor. Wow.
There's literally so much to show that we can't possibly show it all.
Call every interest place at 3 in the morning when you sleep. You guys elevators now?
I don't know.
Teddy. It's Mom. These hallways, the numbers, the arch. All right. Here's our room, and it's gorgeous. So we have a studio. The mirror, though. The shower, though. The artwork. This mirror.
Wow.
Look at this. Amazing. I love the the carved out design of that. Welcome home, Brookhart family. We have a sleeping James there. Teddy is organizing some luggage. Look at this.
It is cute though.
Yeah, that's where I'm gonna sleep. That pen's coming home with me. This bed. Oh my God, that is adorable. I love this like curve that they like bringing this curve into a lot of the design. Look at the sun hitting this yellow filter. The view is nothing to write home about, but it's so crazy. I just realized there's houses. People live right there, literally across the street. We don't have a balcony. There are rooms over there that have balconies, so I'm a little envious of that, but this is gorgeous. And then here's the kitchenette with like a closet that the full-size mirror slides. Kitchenette, which is a bigger kitchen. I mean, I guess it's the same kind of kitchenette setup that other DVC studios have. And then a queen pull-down, literally just like our Polynesian room. Wow, we have to figure out food because we're getting hungry. First official souvenir of the trip, a Trader Sam's barrel mug, 4th edition from the OG Trader Sam's. And a nice, I forgot what it was, but it's got Maker's Mark in it. It's delicious.
Oh.
So I got a No Breeze.
Yeah, it's got like agave and mint, and Teddy is just eating all the bubbles.
And we're waiting for food. Here we go. We got a Wagyu bacon burger with sweet potato fries, pork goiza for James and Teddy, the ramen, which looks divinity, and chicken tenders for the boys as well.
Yeah.
We ready to manzo?
I'm so hungry. I'm so happy.
Dance, Teddy, dance. Check out the pixie dust that leads you to the Disneyland villas. We are going back to our room because we want to enjoy it. Plus, we want the boys to get wiggles out.
All right, we just attempted to take the cute bed pictures. We have a Dopey. Wait, that's Dumbo. We have a Dopey. We have a Dopey and a Dumbo plush to celebrate the runDisney weekends. And we just opened up this.
Shoes.
Yeah, we'll put on shoes.
Shoes.
We just opened up the Murphy bed, and look at that behind it. This room. Our first walking shot of the trip into downtown Disney.
Oh, there's a monorail. So cool and strange.
Look at that Luca and Alberto representation.
That is gorgeous.
I know there is a lot of construction. Oh, look at that Mickey.
And that 100 Years of Wonder.
Wow, those signs are more epic than the ones at Walt Disney World.
We're not going to try to do that a lot.
I know. I don't think they've realized yet, like, we're somewhere different. They're just, like, going along with the flow, like, this is just what we do.
Marceline's confection. Wow. Goodbye.
Wow. Disneyland is right there. Their Christmas tree is still up.
The train is still going.
Wow. Boys. Like, I'm so curious of how they're going to react.
Right, like if we go to Tomorrowland, if Buzz is not right there, what is it?
Right. Ooh. That is surreal.
It is super surreal, but also where we are is surreal. It's hitting me like I'm having all these flashbacks to our honeymoon. You have to put in a photo. Alright, we're at the gym at the Villas at Disneyland Hotel. Gonna get just a mile in today, warming the legs up, and then I'll kick it up to like an 11-minute mile. Just do 1 mile, keep the legs fresh. But we got Steamboat Willie out there in the splash pad right up by the pool and the Palm Breeze bar.
Got a little in-room dining fruit. Peter's got a martini. I didn't know it came with cuties. What else?
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.